What's up, everybody? SongBird here, and I'm so ready to hop into this So Gone challenge. So I hope you guys are ready. Let's get it. Yeah, boo, you messed up. I loved you, but I'm fed up. I thought you had potential, but I guess I boosted you up. I put you on a pedestal that you wouldn't give two fucks about. Now I'm here with my tears, trying not to drown. Who was there when you had nothing? It was my belief in you that built you up to treat me like I was nothing. You a fool, but it's okay. It's your fault you lost me, and you'll realize it one day. It's easy to love somebody when they're up, but baby, I was down when you was down. When nobody was around, I polished off your crown. Now you're feeling yourself, but then you turned around and treat me like I ain't good enough. The dagger went so deep, but I pulled it out and stitched myself up. I got me writing love letters to myself like Shine Queen. Pull me up some liquor, roll a tree. Don't come looking for me, cause I'm so gone. Silly of me to try and hold a nigga down. It won't happen ever again. You can bet that now. To give someone my heart who don't deserve my time. To give someone the keys to my world and let them dull my shine. You made me feel like I need to get gone. You're so wrong, and it's so sad, yeah. And it's your bad, oh, cause I loved you, baby. Now I'm so gone. Hey, SongBird, I hope y'all like that.